What if you could create stunning videos with AI for free? Google's Gemini might soon let everyone try its epic video generator. Wanna know how? Let's dive in. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're talking about a game-changing rumor. Google's Gemini AI, powered by the VO2 model, could soon let free users create short videos. Right now, this feature is locked behind a Gemini Advanced subscription, but a freemium version might be dropping soon. Stick around to find out what this means and how you can get in on the AI video action. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, already a beast for writing and research. Now it's stepping up with video generation. Launched on April 16, 2025, using the VO2 model. Paid Gemini Advanced users can turn text prompts into 8-second video clips. Think cinematic scenes, animations, or quick promos. It's perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone wanting to spice up their content. But here's the exciting part. A report found code in a Google app beta hinting that free users might soon get a taste of this power. That's right, AI video creation could be open to everyone. So what's the deal with this freemium model? The beta code mentions a freemium feature, an on-ramp, and a pro entry point. This suggests Google might let free users create a limited number of videos each month to hook you into trying it out. It's a classic move. Give you just enough to see the magic, then tempt you to upgrade to Gemini Advanced for unlimited access. We've seen this before with features like deep research, where free users get a few shots before needing a paid plan. While Google hasn't confirmed it yet, the code doesn't lie. This is likely coming soon. If Google rolls out this freemium video generator, it's a big deal. Millions of users could access AI video creation without paying a dime, democratizing a tool that's usually reserved for premium plans. Imagine making quick social media clips, educational videos, or even fun memes, all from a simple text prompt. The 8-second limit is perfect for TikTok or Instagram Reels, and with Google's VO2 tech, the quality is next level. This move could put Google ahead in the AI race, making creative tools accessible to students, small businesses, and hobbyists alike. While we don't know the exact limits yet, expect something like a few free videos per month, similar to how deep research works. You probably use the Gemini app to type a prompt, hit generate, and boom, a slick video clip. It's a low-risk way to test the tool before committing to a paid plan. Google's been teasing features like this through code leaks before, and they usually drop soon after. So whether you're a creator or just curious, this could be your chance to play with AI video without breaking the bank. Ready to create videos with AI? Keep an eye on the Gemini app for this freemium update. It could drop any day. Download Gemini now and start exploring its free features. Subscribe for the latest AI news, smash that like button, and tell us in the comments what kind of video you'd make with Gemini.